Yes, but we were discussing food preservation, है ना? Yesterday we were discussing microorganisms. We were discussing about food preservation. Okay, जी? In this we discussed the 2 or 3 points. कौन-कौन से points हमने discuss किए थे? Food preservation, the how we can preserve the food without मतलब to avoid the spoilage. तो हमने उसमें कौन-कौन से points किए थे? पहले हमने करी थी the conditions that are required या the conditions in which the microorganism cannot grow or मतलब multiply rapidly. Number 1 conditions are dry, means the dry atmosphere, dry होना चाहिए, moisture या water content नहीं हो. Second, temperature very low और third, temperature very high. In that 3 conditions microorganism cannot grow and multiply. ठीक है जी. After that we have discussed the number of the मतलब we discussed the various points how we can preserve the food. First we discussed the chemical method in which we will add the chemicals in the food material to preserve it. ठीक है, जिसमें हमने कल करे थे citric acid, sodium benzoate, sodium bisulfate. Number of the chemicals are there that we are using according to the food. ठीक है, तो that is used to store the food. Second हमने करा था chemical method के बाद that is the preservation by the common salt, that the salt is applied like fish, meat, we apply the salt so that the water that is present in the food particle na it will comes out and then we can save them, matlab we can save that food particles या food articles, food material, because when there is no moisture, no water, then microorganism cannot act on it. ठीक है. थर्ड पॉइंट करो preservation by sugar. Preservation by sugar. हमने दो डिस्कस किए थे, preservation chemical method and the preservation by salt. Now the next one लिखो third, preservation by sugar. तो write down. अब sugar क्या करती है? As the salt draws out the water from the food, तो what is the function of the sugar? Sugar क्या करती है? Reduces the moisture content of the food. Sugar reduces the moisture content of the food. Sugar reduces the moisture content of the food. ठीक है. When moisture content reduce हो गया, that means it inhibits the growth of the microorganism. So it inhibits the growth of microorganism. ठीक है. Okay. Now the next point, that is the preservation by oil and vinegar. अच्छा इसमें एग्जांपल लिख लो. एग्जांपल जैम्स, जेली, ठीक है. नंबर ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेस, स्क्वैश, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं वेयर वी आर यूजिंग. जेलीज हो गई, जैम्स हो गए, स्क्वैशेस हो गए, जैसे रूह अफ़ज़ा एंड ऑल दैट. ठीक है. These are the substances where we are using the sugar. Preservation by oil and vinegar. Before discussing this, all of you know mama used to make the pickle, है ना? या आपके घर में pickle पड़ा भी है, अचार पड़ा है. So what you observe? The oil, the surface जो है that is covered with the oil. Why we are adding the oil? Why we are adding the vinegar? ठीक है. What is the reason of adding the oil? ऑयल क्या करता है? अभी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस की व्हेन वी विल अप्लाई नाउ दीज डेज, है ना, हम क्रीम लगाते हैं, ऑयल लगाते हैं सो दैट आवर बॉडी का जो मॉइस्चर है वो खत्म ना हो, इसीलिए लगाते हैं. बाहर की हवा जो है इट विल नॉट कम इन कांटेक्ट. इन द सेम वे ऑयल का फंक्शन क्या है? इट कट ऑफ द एयर सप्लाई, मतलब इट प्रिवेंट्स द कांटेक्ट ऑफ द फूड विद द एयर. ठीक है ना. बीच में ऑयल आ गया, it prevents या क्या करेगा, it prevents या cut off the air supply, ये prevent करता है food को with the moisture के contact में आने से. So what is the main reason of adding the oil? To prevent the food, write down, to prevent the food from air or moisture. Okay, now to air and moisture, it prevents the food. Okay, oil and vinegar, it reduces the contact of the food with the air so that the microorganism will not act on the food material. ठीक है बच्चे. Now the next is by cooling and freezing. यहाँ पे you can write down example of pickle. By cooling and freezing. In first chapter when crop production we discussed, in that chapter we discussed about the freezing point. We now all of you are aware that if we want to eat the watermelon at this time we can eat, है ना? It's available because it is stored. कहाँ पे? Freeze किए होते हैं, refrigerators में रखे होते हैं, cool करके. Means seasonal fruits तो available है, but if we want to take the like that is not present in that season, so we can store it at a very cold places. So that's why the fruits and the vegetables, these are stored. So we can write down the fruits like vegetable, meats, fruits, these are cooled and kept at a very low temperature. Write down fruits, vegetables, है ना? आप देखते हो frozen peas लेते हो, frozen मटर होते हैं, frozen टिक्कीज होती है, all that. So what is this? We are storing it at a very low temperature. Fruit, vegetables, meat are stored at a very low temperature. Are stored at very low temperature in refrigerator. In refrigerator. From spoilage. To prevent from all these 3 points clear? Okay. Then the 6th point, then cold storage. These are based on this. Cold storage होते हैं, potatoes cold storage. So what we are doing, we are storing at a very low temperature. Then the 6th point, write down canning or the vacuum packing. ठीक है, canning. जो कैन फ्रूट होते हैं, कैनिंग और वैक्यूम पैकिंग. कैनिंग और वैक्यूम पैकिंग. वैक्यूम मींस हवा पूरी निकाल देनी. ठीक है, तो व्हाट वी विल डू, first we will heat the food particle. Food items are first heated at a very high temperature to kill the bacteria. Write down food items are heated at high temperature to kill the bacteria. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हमने क्या करा, फूड आइटम्स को we will heat it at a high temperature so that it will kill the bacteria that is present in the food. And after that when we will heat it to kill bacteria, and then sterilized food is sealed in. Then it is sealed in. Then it is packed in airtight container. Airtight cans या container to prevent the further action of the microorganism. ठीक है बच्चे? Next लिखो preservation by heating. Preservation by heating. यहाँ लिखो heating kill. Write down heating kill microbes present in the food. Heating kill microbes present in food and prevent it from spoilage. Example you can take here milk. हम milk को सबसे पहले सुबह या शाम में we are purchasing the milk. First we will heat it so that we can store it for some time. Other if we will keep the milk as it is, then the microorganism act on it and it will be spoiled. ठीक है जी? Next you can write down 8 point by preservation by dehydration. Because first point हमने discuss किया था कि microorganism cannot grow and multiply if the conditions are dry. So next is by dehydration. What is the meaning of the dehydration? Dehydration means loss of water. Dehydration means loss of water. ठीक है? पानी को सुखा देना. Dehydration means loss of water, removal of water from a substance. That is called dehydration. तो इन डिहाइड्रेशन हम क्या करते हैं कि जो सन ड्राइंग जो है दैट इज द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड. जैसे जो पॉन्ड्स हैं, जब पॉन्ड्स बनते मतलब कल्टीवेट करते हैं, आफ्टर दैट पॉन्ड्स को सीड्स को वी विल स्प्रेड इन द एयर. ठीक है? इन द सन. ठीक है? तो इट विल रिमूव द मॉइस्चर फ्रॉम दैट एंड देन वी कैन स्टोर इट. दैट वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस इन द फर्स्ट चैप्टर आल्सो कि सन ड्राइंग इज द बेस्ट एंड द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड टू स्टोर, क्योंकि पहले हम उसका मॉइस्चर रिमूव करते हैं. ठीक है? व्हीट, राइस, पल्सेस सब में से. तो व्हाट इज द डिहाइड्रेशन? रिमूवल ऑफ द वाटर. रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम फूड, दैट इज डिहाइड्रेशन. एंड इसके लिए द बेस्ट मेथड इज सन ड्राइंग, है ना? और सन ड्राइंग में हम क्या क्या सन से ड्राई करते हैं? व्हीट है, पल्सेस है, व्हीट, पल्सेस, ठीक है, राइस, कॉर्न्स, कुछ भी यू कैन सी. ठीक है? दिस इज द रीजन कि व्हेन द रेनी सीजन इज देयर, एट दैट टाइम microorganisms act on the food and the food items will be spoiled. Is it clear? The last point in this, that is the pasteurization. Pasteurization, that is the important topic. Last topic of this one, preservation, that is by pasteurization. PAS. PASTEURI. It was given by Louis Pasteur. This technique was given by Louis Pasteur in 1862. ये हमें दिया था Louis. Now, what is the meaning of the pasteurization? इसका meaning क्या है? It is the process of preservation of milk. It is the process of preservation of milk. Write down it. What is pasteurization? Process of preservation of milk. आपने देखा है ना टेट्रा पैक में वी आर ऑब्टेनिंग द लाइक मिल्क मिलता है, ठीक है, अमूल एंड ऑल दैट. तो हाउ they are doing this method, that is the pasteurization. When we will do the pasteurization milk now, when we are taking that pasteurization milk, no need to heat it again because it's already heated. So pasteurization is the process to preserve milk. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अब होता क्या है, मिल्क इज हीटेड at 70 degrees Celsius. Milk is heated 70 degrees Celsius 15 to 13 seconds. to 30 seconds. ठीक है, and then immediately cool. पहले इसको अच्छी तरह से हीट करते हैं 70 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे 15 to 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस to kill the bacteria. तो पहले इसको गर्म कर दिया to kill the bacteria, that means temperature high कर दिया, and then कूलिंग इमीडिएटली उसको कूल कर दिया, मींस दोनों कंडीशंस अप्लाई कर दी. देन इमीडिएटली मतलब सेकंड स्टेप हमारा होता है, देन इट इज कूलिंग क्विकली एट 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो एट 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू किल रिमेनिंग बैक्टीरिया. अगर उसके अंदर कोई और बैक्टीरिया भी प्रेजेंट है जो आफ्टर किलिंग नहीं खत्म हुए, then we will cool it at a 10 degree Celsius to kill those bacteria. ठीक है, then these are can, मतलब उनको स्टोर कर लिया जाता है. ठीक है, then these are stored in the bottles and we can use as it is. So these are the methods of the food preservation. Chemical method by salt, by sugar, canning or vacuum, packing, and by heating, by dehydration and the pasteurization. These are the different methods to prevent the food from spoiling. Now you can write down what are the advantages of, मतलब अब हमने food spoilage होने से बचा लिया, तो what are the advantages of like food preservation? कोई बताएगा आप में से? I am keeping unmute. What are the advantages? एक second. What are the advantages of? Yes, anyone? Just raise your hand. Advantages of food preservation. Yes, Shaz.
Less wasting of food is there.
Yes. Food preservation का सबसे best हो गया हमारे पास advantage. Less wastage. Naturally, if we are not wasting our
It
food,
helps to store food for a long period.
we can first point write down wastage of reduces the wastage of food. Yes, Manisha, दोबारा बोलो बेटा. Second point.
It helps to store it helps to store food for a long time.
Helps to store food. Helps to store food for long periods. Anji, any other point? Any other?
We can use that food later.
क्या दोबारा बोलो? विश्वास अनम्यूट करो. विश्वास.
Ma'am, it prevents
Food poisoning.
फूड पॉइजनिंग, फूड प्रिजर्वेशन से हाँ लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि हार्मफुल अगर इफ वी आर कीपिंग द फूड इन अ वेरी प्रॉपर मैनर तो डेफिनेटली फूड पॉइजनिंग, मतलब फूड पॉइजनिंग इज नॉट द एडवांटेज ऑफ फूड प्रिजर्वेशन, दैट इज तो उसी में आ जाएगा ना कि इट किल्स द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म। ठीक है, एक पॉइंट अभी जैसे मैं बोल रही थी कि ऑफ सीजन में भी वी कैन टेक दैट वन। If we are doing the food preservation, that means if I want to eat the watermelon at this season, so I can eat. So that what does it mean? That we can take the food particles or food materials in off season also. So write down the next point, that the food, it ensures the food availability, ensures the food availability, food availability at different places। जैसे कि बना के हम पिनिया हैं तो if we vacuum उसको पैक करके we can give it to our kids। ठीक है, पिकल बना के हम इधर उधर भेज देते हैं। तो due to this one it ensures the food availability at distant places, at off season and in off season, है ना। और कुछ हो सकता है, इसी को कर सकते हैं। न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू कैन बी रिस्टोर्ड, न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू कैन बी रिस्टोर्ड फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम। Point, anyone is having any pointer, please tell. ठीक है, chapter complete. Now we will discuss the question answer. Done बेटा, ठीक है। Wait. विजिबल हो रहा है बेटा मनीषा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Two diagrams left actually. You can see algae, protozoa, we already discussed na, Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, amoeba, paramecium, rhizopus or the bread mold. ठीक है, these two diagram, penicillin and aspergillus, ये मैं बनवा दूंगी। ठीक है, now ह्यूमन डिजीजेस पे भी पूरा है टॉपिक। ओके, फूड प्रिजर्वेशन वी हैड डिस्कस, नाइट्रोजन साइकिल वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस। ठीक है, नाउ द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। यस, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म कैन बी सीन विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ
Microscope.
blue-green algae fix dash, blue-green algae fix dash directly from air.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Alcohol is produced with the help of
Yeast.
cholera is caused by
Bacteria.
correct answer tick करना है। Yeast is used in the production of sugar, alcohol, hydrochloric acid,
Alcohol.
an antibiotic, sodium bicarbonate, Streptomycin.
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 Yes. Carrier of malaria causing protozoa is
Anopheles
Female
mosquito.
Anopheles mosquito.
Female.
what is for dengue? Aedes. Yes. Then the most common carrier of communicable diseases ant, housefly, dragonfly, spider.
Housefly.
Housefly.
The bread or wheat dough rises because of
Growth of cells.
Growth of yeast cells.
growth of the yeast cell.
Yeast.
The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called the process.
Fermentation.
Then mash, bacteria,
Causing
Causing
chlorine.
cholera.
rhizobium,
Fixing nitrogen.
Fixing nitrogen.
don't do. स्क्रीन पे नहीं कुछ करो बच्चे. Lactobacillus,
Settling of curd.
Setting of
Baking of bread.
protozoa,
Causing malaria.
virus,
causing AIDS.
Causing AIDS.
Can microorganism be seen with the naked eyes? If not, how they can be seen? अभी आपके first question ये करा है कि microorganisms are very small or the tiny organism that they cannot be seen with the naked eyes. So we will see with the help of the microscope. है ना? Next question. अगम, next question का answer बताओ. अगम, what are the major groups of microorganism?
Bacteria, they are single-cell diseases causing microbes. They can be spiral of rod shape. Fungi, they are mostly multicellular diseases causing microbes. Bread molds are common examples. Protozoa, they mainly include organisms such as amoeba, etc. They can be unicellular or multicellular. Virus,